Hey, it's Jacob again. I'm here on Union Street. I wanted to show you my new showroom. Come over, come take a look. We're here in the showroom. I can show you some crazy stuff. You can see this big, beautiful vanity, right? There is a soft closing, some bathroom fixtures. We got the light mirror. Yeah, awesome, right? Different selections of artificial turf. You can see some deck materials. That's what I really like in my showroom, that my client come for probably like second or third appointment. They come to check what type of cabinet do we have, the different pieces between the countertop and the backsplash. You can see some nice subway tiles, the octagon tiles. Yeah, there is like a very nice lazy Susan for storage. Pull out for the trash can. Of course, everything is soft closing, shaker style, flat cabinet. Here you can take a look like different type of doors. Everything here is a little bit minimalist. We're working with more than 20 vendors around the area. So we usually set up an appointment with our interior designer. We create piece by piece of the whole vision of the project, and then we can order online and get everything delivered directly to you. Basically, after selecting some materials, we like to see how the material come together as a full piece. That's a very nice example of a 3D rendering. The interior designer sit here with the client, sit together, can grab a nice coffee and a snack. We have a nice sitting area if they're coming with the kids. We sit together, we choose the material. We can get a better vision before we even decided to move forward in any particular way. For example, this client, what they actually do, we come up with our engineer and architect. We decided to add a second story addition. I didn't have enough space, another baby coming in, so they built a second story addition on top. We extend the garage from a one-car garage to two-car garage. The secondary addition create actually a nice master suite, approximately 500 square footage for a master suite. Beautiful walk-in closet with a master bedroom. After decide how the 3D gonna look like, the next step is to understand how the exterior gonna follow to the interior. So whenever we finish the design, we decided to have like a secondary driveway. We change all of the poles of the lighting. Everything of course goes solar. Some small details from planting. Here on the exterior, we did everything to make sure that the curb appeal feels comfortable. Whenever you park your car, you want to step in, so you have some nice lights to go around. When we provide our design services, we promise you that you're not going to be disappointed. You're actually going to feel proud. Oh my God, that's my house. That's my house. Come around and see the house. It's not only about the inside, it's the whole package of it. You can say, man, that's my future house for my family. You should stop by. We can grab a coffee together. Let's talk about your project. Let's talk about the future for your home, for your kids, for your family. And we can definitely think together as a team how your project is going to look like, from the design to the reality. Come over.